How to activate SOS flashlight on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we go down and tap on display, then scroll down and tap on edge panels. From here, tap on panels. Then you need to swipe across and select tools. So select tools so that it is added to the edge panel. Then you can swipe in to open up the edge panel. From the edge panel, swipe across until you go to the tools panel. Then tap on the more button at the top and choose flashlight from the selection list. Here, first turn on the flashlight. Then to activate SOS flashlight, just tap on it and you should see the flashlight start flashing in SOS mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.